Raise your hand if you have seen super cute nails that celebrities have done and say online and places like that and think, oh, I really want these nails. Well, today we're going to do these adorable ones from Jennifer Lopez that I saw recently. The Milkbath trend seems to really be on trend right now with a lot of the celebrities, and I wanted to do the one that JLo did. It's like a shimmery version, and I was trying to think of how I could do this, and then I remembered, oh my gosh, I have this beautiful shimmery builder gel called Shimmering Pearl that would totally be perfect for this because it's not super clear, like there is a tint to it plus the shimmer, and it reminded me so much of JLo's nails in that picture. So the very first thing I did was remove the gel base and gel top that I had over top of my jelly tip nails. I had done like about a week before I decided to do the JLo nails, and doing that just allowed the builder gel to properly adhere when I was going to apply it. So once I removed the gel base and the gel top, I went through and cleaned off all my nails with Young Nails Swipe, and then followed through with Young Nails Protein Bond. This is to make sure that my builder gel would adhere really nicely to my jelly tip nails. And the one thing I'm really liking about jelly tips, I've just started using them, this is my second try at them, was that you can fill with builder gel. And I absolutely love that because I'm a huge builder gel fan. I've been using it for almost 2 years now, and I love using it. I love how it applies. I love that you can do different colors and wear it under your nails. But this one, I wanted it to be like just the builder gel was the full showcase, so I could do these JLo inspired nails. And the gel that I'm using, Shimmering Pearl, the builder gel, is a HEMA-free one from OG Dip Powder, and I will link a description to that builder gel in the description box. So when you're applying builder gel, you always want to make sure that you float it. Builder gel should not be like dragged really hard like you're dragging a dip liquid or even like a gel base or gel top coat. You want them to be, you want to float the builder gel down your nails, and you can see my pointer finger poking out from my left hand as I'm doing my right hand. I went a little too hardcore on e-filing, or not e-filing. I went too hard using the hand file, and I've said this in like a million videos that I've done. I'm really rough with a lot of things. So when I was hand filing, I scraped up my pointer finger, and luckily all I had to do was put a ton of cuticle oil on it for a couple days, and then it's all healed now. So once you apply your builder gel and you fully cure that, you want to go through and you want to hand file it to make sure you're giving yourself that really beautiful apex. And when you do your apex, you'll hold the file, kind of curve it up and down like over your nail to give it that nice, beautiful curve. And that gives you the strong apex that you need to wear a builder gel or really any kind of enhancement on your nails. When they're longer, you want them to be nice and strong, have that good apex so that your nails don't break as easily. And if you'd like to learn more about how to apply a builder gel and a much more slowed down tutorial that focuses just on the builder gel, I will link a description in the description box for the link to my builder gel tutorial. So after you're done doing all your filing, you wipe your nails off. Again, I used Young Nails Swipe, and then you go through, put Protein Bond on again, and then you'll top. I'm topping here with gel base, and then I top with gel top coat. I am so loving how these nails turned out, my JLo inspired nails, and I have another celebrity mani coming up for you guys soon. Let me know in the comments if there's any other celebrity manis you'd like me to try. Thanks for joining me today, nail crew.